Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Roblox shift lock not working. First of all, check if shift lock is enabled in your Roblox settings. Open the in-game menu by pressing escape and clicking the gear icon. Look for the shift lock switch option and make sure it's turned on. If it's off, toggle it on and try again. Then check if the game supports shift lock. Some games, especially first person ones, disable this feature internationally. If shift lock is disabled by the game developer, you won't be able to use it. Try another game to confirm if the issue persists. Then rebind the shift lock key. If pressing shift doesn't work, go to Roblox settings and assign a different key for shift lock. Sometimes other programs and sometimes other programs or settings may conflict with the shift key. Changing the key bind can resolve this issue. Update Roblox. An outdated client can cause features like shift lock to malfunction. Restart Roblox to ensure you are running the latest version. If the issue persists, reinstall Roblox to fix any corrupted files. And there you go. With these simple steps, your shift lock should be working perfectly. Now, go enjoy your game with better controls.